don't know. What do you guys think? Is that realistic, or you don't know? Sometimes it tries a word and then it fails because they banned me. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Garrett, and today I thought it'd be fun to try to cheat or hack in this game called BombParty. So this is a browser game where it's kind of like a vocab game where you have this short little syllable in the middle, and you have to come up with a word that uses this syllable in it. So you can see them play here a little bit. So I don't even know what that word means, but yeah, you can see how this game can get pretty hard, especially if you're playing against people that are pretty good. So yeah, I actually created this script using a little AI here and there, but yeah, I figured I'd try to just have the script all ready to go and then just show you actually what it looks like to automate and cheat, because when I first tried to record this, it was bugging out like every 2 seconds, and I'd have to try to fix the bug for like 30 minutes, so I figured that'd be kind of boring. But if you guys want to see more about actually how the script works, then just let me know. And we'll try to join this lobby actually for the next round, and I'll show you guys what happens. Let's go ahead and enter in the code for this lobby. Okay, I decided to time skip a little bit because this game's taken way longer than I thought for me to join. But you can see some of the words these guys are choosing. Like, I don't even feel bad for cheating, because Peking duck, like, I don't even, it's like, how am I supposed to compete with that? Like, they're probably cheating too. So yeah, like, what is this word that this person just said? There's like dashes in it and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna hop in here and we're gonna show them what a real vocab genius looks like. Actually, I decided while I'm waiting, I can show you guys a little bit about what this script is doing. So I'm using this, so I'm doing this all in Python. We got a library called NoDriver, which is kind of just, if you guys have ever used like Selenium before or anything like that, it's a little annoying that you have to have like a Chrome binary and point to it on your computer and do a bunch of stuff. This NoDriver package is like, hence the name, you don't even need to install any browser binary or whatever. You just install a package and boom, you can automate web sort of things. And you can see this words.txt file, which is just insanely huge. And I'm hoping these are all like eligible words I can use that would fit some of these syllables. So yeah, go into the match, looks at the syllable, scans the words txt, and then tries the word and I also make it so it types it kind of like human-like, so it's not just paste it instantly. And then I think the game will actually ban you if you do that as well. So okay, the game finally ended. So we just joined in on the left browser over here, which is the automated one, and then I just joined on the right so I could like monitor. But okay, we'll see what goes down here. Okay, so I'm vocab lover, so I'm not gonna type anything. You guys are gonna see how this works. It's pretty crazy. All right. Okay. Looks like we got an AFK. Look at that. Holy smokes. Let's see if anyone says anything. Okay. So far, undetected. People think I could be real. That guy's totally AFK. Okay, maybe I should turn down the typing speed. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that realistic, or you don't know? Sometimes it tries a word and then it fails because they banned me. That wasn't even the actual like website. That was like the leader. They figured out that I was cheating. Okay, I just found another lobby. And I also made some changes so it's not as obvious, because before I think it was typing way too quick, but now it's gonna purposely misspell sometimes, and the typing is gonna be slower, so you guys can watch this. This poor guy has no idea what he's getting into. Look at that. Ballrooms, oh, a little slow, a little fast. Look at that. Hell, look how realistic that was. That was insane. Person's given up. See fail word. Try it again. Look at that. I think I cooked him. I think he's done. See. Tell me that that looks exactly like a person. You would never guess. Fails it, tries again. Tries a different word. Boom. I'm pretty proud of this. Pretty good. So I'll let this go out until I win. Holy smokes, I actually lost. I think my bot was going too slow. Okay. We'll get it, we'll get it. Come on. Boom. There we go. Looks like we won. Person basically just, I think they freaked out when they saw some of the words I was typing in, but yeah. If you guys are interested in seeing me try to cheat, hack, build some random side project, just let me know and subscribe and I'll make another video on it. Thanks.